Hi everyone, welcome. Today I am setting up my September planner in a new dotted notebook. I've been using this weekly planner, but I want to transition into a notebook that will allow me to have more checklists and all the other things I use often all in one place. I found this planner doesn't give me enough space for that. And I thought it would be great for a start to get into this simple planner from Ryman. I started off with jotting down the things that I want to include in my planner. So a monthly overview page, my intentions for the month, and an affirmation. Super simple. The plan is to then build from this layout that I'm doing today and expand into the notebook over time. I've always done my planning digitally for the most part, but I am finding it easier to keep track with a physical planner. I start my mornings without my phone, so having a notebook on hand helps me stay grounded and start the day without overwhelm. Penciling my lines made me feel so nervous. I didn't want to mess my pages up, but I guess that comes with every blank page. I used a 0.05 Unipin fine liner to draw in my calendar. Then I am going in to clean out the pencil lines. I decided to keep my layout very simple. I was going for a minimal look, and over time I'm hoping I can get more creative with my layouts. That's something I'm looking forward to. I then go on to put in the dates. I like to have a general overview of what my month looks like and all the upcoming events. I don't have a lot going on this month. Pretty chill. I also go on to do my weekly planning in this session. That is something I will delve deeper into in another video where I will explain how I actually do my weekly planning and even show you how I do my daily planning as well. This is a glimpse of what I do. When I'm planning for the next day, I generally like to plan the night before. I'll list 3 of the most important things that I need to make sure I get done and also plan out our meals for the day. Took a little break from my planning and carried on later in the evening, so there might be changes in the lighting. I marked out a little meal planning section in the back. I will build on this in another video. I'm also adding a little sticky note with all the checklists that I want to include in my notebook. These are lists that I will use frequently and would like to have on hand. I am taking my time building up my planner. I prefer doing it this way, just so I see if something works for me or not. And I highly recommend that you do the same. It's always good to figure out and see if you like something and if it works with a season or rhythm of your life. Some routines will work great in one season and not in another. Now for the fun part, at least it is for me. I'm adding some stickers to my layout to make it prettier. I decided to go with some vintage stickers mostly, and I just tried to put things that I thought worked well together. I don't know if this counts as vintage, but whatever the style is, that's what I went for. I didn't have any particular theme in mind. This is my final layout. I did want to get those little bows in somewhere, so I found a little spot to put the bow in. Can you spot it? I think that looks really, really cute. Thank you for joining me. I'll be sharing how I do my weekly planning in my next video. and maybe a bit on how I do my day-to-day planning as well. Let me know what else you'd like to see from me. I would love to hear from you in the comments. Don't forget to share, subscribe, and all that nice stuff. Until next time.